Hey folks, Brendan here from Blue Light, and for those of you who haven't seen any of my videos before, over the past several years I've been coaching and supporting people for the police recruitment process with a lot of success. I hasten to add, over the past several years a good 3,000 plus people have been successful as a result of the support I provided. So here we are in Leeds, and one of the things that we've been doing here today is running a seminar to help people through the Police Assessment Centre, the national one. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about my online courses and seminars, it's in the blurb below. There's also some information there about how to join my Facebook group. It's a closed group and it's there to help support people through the police recruitment process. It's almost 6,000 people, members of that group now. I can hardly keep up with all the comments and questions and inquiries on that group. It's just frankly amazing. Anyway, if you'd like to join it, link below. Just ask and answer the question as to why you want to join the group and we will allow you access. So one of the things we talked about today at the seminar was how to get someone to do something when they don't want to do it. Now you may have a role player who does not want to take a course of action that you want them to take. And as opposed to just saying, well, you have to, and that's it, we need something a little bit more structured. And the same goes for the Metropolitan Police Day 1, where you may have role players in the 2 role plays you do there who do not want to comply with one of your instructions. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to borrow a process that's from the police world, especially the public order world, and that's a 5-stage appeals process. So I've written down each one of the points here by explaining them in a lot more detail in my client-only group. So my Facebook client-only group is there just for those people who are paid clients of my online courses and seminars and one-to-one coaching. So if you'd like to find out that detail about what exactly to say, it's all there. I know, it's a teaser taster, but whatever. If you're one of my clients, you're going to get the good stuff. No, the excellent stuff. This is still the good stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is ask them about their behaviour, ask them to stop it or to do something that you want them to do. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to inform them of whatever the policy is that's supporting your decision. And now we're going to point out the consequences or ask them questions, certain questions that you can ask them. They're absolutely ace questions that are going to get them reflecting on the consequences of their behaviour. Should they not do what you want them to do, or should they not comply with the decision that you've made or stop doing some kind of behaviour? The next part is a reasoned appeal. There's this beautiful phrase you can use which is part of the reasoned appeal. I've used it so many times as a police officer. It's just a beautiful thing when you say it because you've got nowhere to go if you're on the other end of that reasoned appeal. And the next part is taking action. So you've gone through a staged process for someone who's non-compliant in a conflict type situation. So there you go folks, if you'd like to find out a little bit more, all the detail behind that and far more detail about how to approach role players, written exercises, interview questions, virtual reality, no matter what it is, there's a script, there's a template, there's guidance, there's a model and a structure there for you to enable you to succeed in every element of the police recruitment process. So I hope to speak to you soon. If you like this video or if you've got any questions about it, please do ask questions in the blurb below. Until next time, this is Brendan from Blue Light, from Leeds, saying goodbye.